Hey, this is AG Bond Jamaican. I just want to show you that in America, it don't matter what temperature or whatever, you still could grow your stuff. And this is a little bit of my little pride and joy that I'm showing you. So check this out and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Now, watch this. Hey, just want to show you guys a little something. This is one of my pride and joy. The banana tree, real banana. Okay, so I'm going to show you the rest of my pride and joys. It gets chilly out in the winter time, so I just plastic around. This is my little greenhouse. This right here is my East Indian mango tree. Over here, my soursop. This is my aloe. Over here is the Carolina Reaper pepper tree. This is my jackfruit tree. Look at this, 1, 2, 3 of them in the pot. I'm gonna have to separate them. This is what you call habanero peppers. It's close to the Scotch bonnet, but the Scotch bonnet is a little hotter than this. Over here is my pineapple tree. Start that from scratch. These are local mangoes that I bought from the store. There's 2 of them in there. So I plant them just to try it out. And also over here is what we Jamaicans call pear, aka avocado tree. This I have for 2 years now, 2.5 years. That's the size of it. Another pride and joy is my cherry tree. In America, they call them Bermuda cherry. We call them Jamaican cherry. So, this is just my little indoor garden. I keep them inside in the winter time. It's warm enough outside for some of these plants in the winter, but because they're tropical and under certain temperature, they will die. If it drops to under a certain degree. I'm not here during the week, so I don't know when the temperature will drop. So I just bring them in, put them in pots. Bring them in. In the spring, I'll bring them back out. As you can see, like the pepper, I get peppers all year round. See they're blossoming? Like I said, there's peppers over there. I got peppers here. This is the habanero. Got peppers. Blossom. I got peppers in there. I'm going deep in there for you guys. Look. And this is what I call my little winter garden. Look at them beautiful peppers. Look at them. Beautiful. This is Carolina Reaper. Beautiful peppers. So I have peppers all year round. Nice soursop tree. Sometimes I pick the leaf, boil tea, make tea with that. And banana tree is gonna go right here. This is my little winter, I call it winter garden. Like these pepper trees right here, I have these for, this is going to be the second year. This is one and a half year, this one. You know, I get peppers all year round. Indoors and out. These things, they just blossoms. As long as the temperature is right, they will blossom. This is just a little preview of my little winter garden. Trying to let you know I grow things all year round. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'd like for you to check out PrincessAG Tv, also Life with King and Shay, and I want you to go and check out my man, the Smoken'Bear. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's very important. Please subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.